We picked only the best 5 humidifier for large room. By comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome content like this. So without any delay, let's get number 5. Everlasting Comfort 6L Ultrasonic Large Room Humidifier with Auto Shutoff. Some of the small-sized humidifiers out there might function admirably for your office work area or end table. Yet when you need to turn up the dampness in a bigger room, you should need to take a gander at the bigger humidifiers like the Everlasting Comfort 6L Ultrasonic Large Room Humidifier with a cool mist. This humidifier can keep running for as long as 50 hours on simply 6 liters of water, making it the best of its kind. That implies you could run it regularly as per your requirements for over 2 days without refilling. This makes it ideal for enormous rooms of up to 400 square feet. Its tank is intended to last as long as 6 days before you refill it once more. Another extraordinary component of this best ultrasonic humidifier large room is the auto shutoff element that naturally kills the humidifier once it is out of the water, to avoid any harm to the humidifier. Besides, this unit likewise accompanies a basic oil plate, which enables you to include your preferred essential fragrant oils. Likewise, this machine highlights 360-degree turning spout for even mist circulation in your room. The ultrasonic technology is advanced, making it one of the most effective quiet humidifiers for large room. Number 4. Levoit 6L Humidifier for Large Room. The Levoit 6L humidifier for large room effectively expands the moistness levels rapidly than different humidifiers. When you set the warm mist setting, it warms the inward water to a high temperature that slaughters most microscopic organisms present. It additionally has a humidity screen for straightforward humidity level display that gives you the opportunity to set the agreeable moist dimensions for extreme unwinding. With an instinctive remote control and a control board, you can assume full responsibility for the settings, regardless of the measure of the room. This item can deal with effective mist yield up to 500 ml/hr even in broadened use. Like the previous humidifier, this device too provides both cool and warm mist, depending upon the climatic condition. The capacity of the Levoit humidifier makes it one of the best large room humidifiers, as it can store up to 1.5 gallons of water and has a runtime of about 36 hours. It is not only good for a large room but also for a baby room, as the ultrasonic technology designed into it does not let the humidifier make any noise, and hence your baby can sleep peacefully with the device operating in the background. Number 3. Pure Guardian Ultrasonic Large Room Humidifier. The Pure Guardian Ultrasonic Large Room Humidifier is amazing for furnishing the client with a well-disposed and safe plan. It incorporates a one-of-a-kind fog control to guarantee the perfect yield of mist levels, with a vigorous removable tank estimating up to 10 liters. It gives you simple access to every one of the parts for an intensive cleanup. The water marker is a decent touch for giving basic observing to a refill. In addition, you get a multi-bearing mist with an on-off LED light to enable you to control the humidity level as per your inclinations. It can give non-stop administration as long as 100 hours, which is all that anyone could need to keep you warm in virus seasons such as winter. The most common problem with other humidifiers is the formation of mold in water tanks. But the Pure Guardian Ultrasonic Large Room Humidifier is incorporated with a technology of SilverClean that will fight and prevent the growth of mold and slime on your water tank. Hence, you do not have to worry about regular cleaning of the tank. Number 2. Elacomb's ultrasonic humidifier for large room UC5501. The Elacomb's ultrasonic humidifier for large room truly is a blessing to the people who suffer from dry skin-related problems. It has a 6-liter vaporizer that multifunctions and can leave both warm and cool mist accordingly. So this Elacomb's unit is not only a large room cool mist humidifier, but also functions as a large room warm mist humidifier. What else can a person ask for? It comes with a remote control that enables you to monitor the humidifier from a distance. It can be very beneficial in case you have a baby room and you want to monitor it from a distance. It also comes with the ability of manual customizing of humidity. LED touch display in a sleep mode. You can put the humidifier on sleep mode through remote control at times when you are not using it. The smart humidity sensor technology incorporated into it will sense the current humidity level of the room and adjust the levels accurately and quickly. The best part of this large room humidifier is that you can add a few drops of fragrant oil essential to it. And it will spray the room with mist that has the fragrance of your favorite spirit in it. Number 1. Air Innovations MH801B Plat 2.15 Gal Ultrasonic Humidifier. The Air Innovations MH801B Plat 2.15 Gal Ultrasonic Mist Dual Tank is the best large room humidifier Amazon can offer to you. It is portable, small, beautifully designed, manufactured with great quality materials. All of it in a very minimum price. What makes it really innovative is that this humidifier comes with a pre-programmed humidistat that is highly intelligent and can monitor the current humidity of the room and adjust the levels accordingly. Thus, you do not have to worry about changing levels or even tinkering with it. The Air Innovations MH801B Plat will do it all for you. This best humidifier for large room has dual tanks that enable it to function for a long time. With a 2.15-gallon tank, the maximum runtime for this humidifier will be 120 hours. The extension mist nozzle, designed into the humidifier, allows you to place the humidifier on a tabletop as well as the floor, according to what suits your needs the best. You can also choose to control the humidifier from a distance, thanks to the remote control included with it. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review. And please don't forget to subscribe us to get the news of upcoming reviews. Stay tuned. I should fuck her in a Benz.